Page 124, fractions on a number line. Use fraction strips to help you complete the number line. Then locate and draw a point for that fraction. So if I look over here, they're saying 1/3. I look at my denominator, that means I need 3 parts. So I have 1/3 already on here. I'm going to draw another box, which is 1/3, and then another box, which is 1/3. Each of these boxes are equal parts, 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. Okay, I look on my number line here, and 1/3, which is 1 out of the 3 boxes, is on the number line. See that marked right there. I look at my next fraction, I have 3/4. I look at my denominator is 4. That means I need 4 equal parts. So I have 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So on here I have 0 out of the 4 parts. Over here I have 1 out of the 4 parts, 2 out of the 4 parts, and 3 out of the 4 parts. So I'm going to make a little tab for the 1/4 and the 2/4. And over here, I'm going to put a dot over the 3/4 because that is the fraction that they asked me to map on the number line here, 3/4. Now, write the fraction that names the point. So over here on this number line, you look at the denominator. Denominator is 8. That means I need 8 equal parts. I'm going to have you do this one independently. Taking a look here, 0 out of 8, look at my numerator is 0. Over here, my numerator is 1 out of 8. Each time it's going to be 8 because I'm going to have 8 equal parts. Here I have point A. Think about if I have 0, 1, what would my numerator be here? Keeping everything at 8 as my denominator. 3/8, 4/8. B would be. Then I have 6/8. C would be. And then I have 8/8, which equals 1 whole. Every time the numerator and the denominator match, that gives us 1 whole. Okay, over here I have Jade ran 6 times around her neighborhood to complete a total of 1 mile. How many times will she need to run to complete 5/6 of the mile? So I'm going to draw a number line underneath. I'm going to start with 0 out of 6, or 0, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, and 6, 6. Well, if she was running, she would run around the block 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times to get to 5/6. So 5/6 would be 5 times that she would need to run around the block. So 5/6 would be 5 times, 5 complete times running around the block. A missing fraction on the number line is located exactly halfway between 3/6 and 5/6. What is the missing fraction? Well, look what fraction is right in between 3/6 and 5/6, and that should let you know What fraction is halfway in between them?